Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a pasted image transparent in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click this Shape drop down menu and insert a rectangle shape. Then go to Shape Fill drop down menu. Then click Picture. Then go to your picture file location and insert any picture and click Insert. Now select this picture, right click on your mouse and copy. Now go to your file and create a blank presentation. Then again go to New Slide drop down menu and create another blank slide. Then right click on slide and paste it. Now you can see I copy and paste images to another blank document. Then select this image and click this, go to shape format option and click this format shape drop down menu. Then go to fill and line, click this fill and increase opacity. Now you can see I make pasted image transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.